Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're just going to unbox the diecast model of Chevrolet Camaro 1967 model. And before that, if you're not checking the last video, kindly check out that video. That is the video of unboxing of Yamaha YZF R1 model, and this unboxing video link which is mentioned in the top right corner I button, and also this video link which is mentioned in the description box, kindly check out. Let's get started into the video.